It's been a couple months now since I traded in my computer for this Smith & Corona.
It started about 2 months ago. My husband lost his mind.
She came home one day with a bracelet made of typewriter keys, and frankly, it sickened me.
It really spoke to me as a writer. I had no idea he would find it so upsetting.
I discovered that jewelry makers are destroying typewriters for their keys. I had to do something, so I decided to return to the typewriter.
Needless to say, he's behind on all his work. And without email, communication has been, well, a little challenging. Now I get memos.
The only way to save these proud literary workhorses is to put them back to work. And frankly, it's been a liberating experience. I'm no longer a slave to the power outlet, and it's really no different than any other contemporary device. Honey, you got any whiteout?
Ever since he got that first typewriter, he's been on a mission to adopt them all, no matter what condition they're in.
Okay, it's a fixer-upper.
I asked for an iPad for my birthday. Instead, I got this Remington Rand portable.
Every typewriter I adopt is one more typewriter saved from destruction. And I see them as part of the family now. They've worked hard all these years. It's time they enjoyed their retirement.
I think I'll have to hold off on telling him about my new necklace.